Yo, what is up, guys? It's Massive Bass 96 coming back with a brand new video. I'm going to be playing some music, so here we go. I'm going to start the track. This is Decaf, Pour It Up. And to all the people that say my subwoofer can't hit the lows, they're wrong. This is with just 110. 12 is off right now. It's pretty damn hard. Just put the 12 on. All I see is signs, all I see is And that's it of the video. Make sure you guys like, subscribe, and yeah, peace out. Hey, so this is going to be a part 2 of the video. This is not the end of the video. We're going to be playing some Upchurch Holler Boys, so here we go. Let me fast forward it so I don't get copyrighted.
And I fear it, no neighbor can shut me up. I'm off the grid and I'm off my rocker. I'm off in the holler sun. We them holler boys. Holler if you needed something done. Holler if you need a chip on the shoulder. And a hand with a loaded gun. We'll be out that screen door, no
Sounds pretty damn good.
Yeah, we them holler boys. The only fight I've ever been in was picking up somebody else. The only time I got my jaw jacked was never the bedroom, not quite yet. The times I miss the most are the times nobody knows. When it was me, my cousin, and a couple of my buddies. Bam, Springer
This song hits pretty damn hard. Let's try another one. Alright, this one is Dobie Turn It Up, or Turn Up. This is just only the 10. Sounds pretty damn good. Yeah, for just a single 10. Just a single 10. 12's not even on. Turned up. Let's turn it up right now. That's insane. Alright, that's it of the video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. And before I go, this new camera thing that I'm using, it's called a open camera. So you could turn the brightness up and down and stuff like that, which is really cool. You could zoom in with it, which is pretty tight. Yeah. The person that told me about this was Chris G Bass. That's how he records all his subwoofer flexing videos. So yeah, make sure you guys subscribe to his channel. He has 2 channels, Chris G Bass and Chris G Plays. I think that's the other one. And then make sure you guys make sure you guys like this video, and make sure you guys subscribe, and make sure you guys comment. And yeah, hopefully you guys have a good rest of your day, afternoon, wherever you are at. And keep on basing out. And don't let anybody tell you what you should do or not do. It's up to you, whatever you want to do with your system.